Hey everyone, welcome back to the English Wallet YouTube channel. If you're learning English and want to understand what you read more easily, this video is for you. In this video, I'll share 5 simple tips to boost your English reading comprehension, and it'll only take few minutes. Okay, let's dive in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more English learning tips. First tip is, read every day. The more you read, the better you get. Try to read for at least 30 minutes per day, but if you can read more than that, it will definitely help improve your reading comprehension skills. If you haven't done much reading before, start today. Begin with a simple storybook like The Very Hungry Caterpillar, Robinson Crusoe, The Adventure of Tom Sawyer, Rich Man, Poor Man, or Aladdin and the Enchanted Lamp. You don't need to buy these books, you can simply download them from the internet and start reading. You can also try graded readers or short stories written for English learners. I've added some cool links in the description below. Short stories and books you can download and start reading right away. The key is to choose something interesting and easy to understand so you can enjoy the process while learning. Second tip, use context clues. Context clues mean using the other words in a sentence to help you understand the meaning of a word you don't know. Let's take an example. The cat was famished, so it ate quickly. If you don't know the meaning of famished, you can look at the clue, ate quickly. That tells you the cat was very hungry. So, using that clue, you can guess the meaning of the sentence. The cat was very hungry, so it ate quickly. This is how you can use context clues to understand new words without a dictionary. Third tip is build your vocabulary. You can't understand what you don't know. So, one of the best ways to remember new words is by using images or flashcards. For example, if you're learning the word delicious, you can imagine your favorite food like pizza, ice cream, or whatever you love. For rainy day, picture a rainy day with an umbrella. Like that, this helps your brain connect the word with a real image or feeling, making it easier to remember. You can also use apps like Quizlet or Anki to create digital flashcards and learn the meanings of new words through repetition and visual aids. Fourth tip, summarize. What you read. After reading a paragraph or page, stop and say or write what it was about. When you read a paragraph from an article or a chapter from a book, take a short pause after reading and ask yourself, what was that about? Try to say it in your own words, just a quick summary of what you understood. Doing this helps you remember the information better and make sure you're not just reading words, but actually understanding them. And here's a bonus. If you say it out loud, it also helps improve your English speaking skills. You're practicing how to express ideas in English, even if it's just to yourself. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just a simple sentence like, "This part was about a boy who finds a dog," or "The paragraph explains how rain is formed." That's enough to build both your comprehension and confidence. Let's do a small activity. I'm going to share a small paragraph with you. Take your time to read it carefully. After that, think about what it means, and then write a short summary in the comment section. Hope you have commented it, and I'll read and reply to you later. Fifth, and the final tip is, ask questions while reading. While you're reading, especially when you're reading books, try to ask yourself some questions as you go. Things like, who is this about? What's happening here? Why did that happen? Asking questions like these keeps your brain active. Instead of just reading words on a page, you're actually thinking about the story or the information. This helps you stay focused and really understand what you're reading, not just skim through it. It's kinda like having a conversation with the book. And the more you do it, the easier it gets to remember what you read and make sense of it all. So yeah, don't just read, think while you read. All right, here are the main tips you've learned in the video. Read every day. Make it a habit. Use context clues. Build vocabulary. Summarize the chapter or paragraph you read. Ask questions by yourself. What's your favorite tip? Comment below. And if this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more English learning content. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.